I'm your host, Sirjan Acharya, and we are going to analyze global assist, including all of the assist, including commodities and stock with crypto, forex, and ETF also. Okay, at first we will analyze from stock heat map from trading view of stock. Yes, okay. STOK, stock, SCAT, okay, stock heat map. Stock heat map from trading view with you can see here a lot of stock were on green, but we will see its performance on daily basis with 15% increase. Only 15% increase stock will be here. None of this stock increased by 50%, and around 5% this stock saw their totality gain. XOM from this energy minerals XOM, CBX, COP, MPC, BLBO, DBN, PSX, HES, and this one CTRA, MRO, APA, and from finance we have BAC, Bank of America Corporation, PLD. I don't have knowledge about this. AMT, USB, O, BTR. This one MAA, KEE, CFG, KIM, BXP, DOC, MTB, CCI, AMT. Okay. And from health service we have UNH, ELB, CI, HUM, CNC, and this stock we couldn't see it properly. MOH. And from utilities we have YASO, only CRM saw again, and Salesforce. And from YASO, SRE, PEG, DTE, ETR, FE, CMS, CNP, PPL, EIX, AWK, ES, AEE, ATO, LNT, EBRG, NI, and health technology we have ABBB, BRTX, COOO, ILMN. And from customer service we have MCD, CM, CSA, CHTR, EXPE, MGM, WYNN, CZ, CZR, technology sector CRM, BR, BRSN, and communication we have a T, and then we have industry KIM, BKR, producer we have OTIS, PNR, MHK, and this consumer and non-durable KMB, GIS, CHD, BFB, LW, SJM, TAP. Consumer durables we have GM, F, LKQ, NBR. And from this sector retail trade we have LOW, TGT, Lulu, DG, CBS, DLTR, Dollar Tree. I think this is a BBY, TPR, ETSY. And distribution sector we have COR, WBA, this production I think AMCR, CF, MOS. And from this trade UAL, LUB, commercial we have ADM. This is performance of stock. Forex heat map. I think this stock are from S&P 500 index, so we couldn't make it all of again. And from India, I think the Indian stock market, all Indian company, totally gain up to around 10%. We will see stock up to 10% only. Okay, we will close all of this. Only gainer script will be analyzed. I think Adani, all of Adani stock will saw massive gain because of election, and I think that. BJP will gain its majority of election seat in stock, so that there is high probability. You can see here Adani. This AGTL means Adani. Uh, I couldn't AGTL, and this Adani Power saw also gain, and this one 6% gain in each stock with this Adani Enterprises 6.80 percentage, and this one GESHIP gain 4.60, and from consumer this stock NDTV, this also belongs to Adani, and MPSLTD, POJENT, BHLTD, and this one isn't shown here. And from health sector we have a Rainbow majority, and from this Onsa retail trade and Med Plus, and stock above 10%, we can see stock above 15% or not. 15% rise, 15% rise on the any stock. Adani Port also saw its gain. Adani Enterprises, and this one and Jim Nifra, uh, EIH Hotel, Ind Hotel, Trinet, Vansa, MedPlus, Consumer Durable, NBCC, ICRA, Medanta, Fortis, Rainbow, all of its Indian medical sector stock are in rise. Yatra, India Medico. I don't have fluency on analyzing each of the stock. Okay, consider about it. Star, Pfizer, Tata Power, NHPC, S SJVN, CESE, War Retail, NLC India, and from we have Bikaji and Gorex, and from this producer manufacturing we have Harvest, Bell, uh, Sundaram Fast, JWL, JMB, TVS Seal, Get the Sulzon, uh, Carlos, Amber, PTCL, Nixo India, and we have TIL, TIRIL, Sripson, KIRL, PNU, the Azad, and this one Skipper, KMEB, Indian Nippon. I think this is from Japan. Uh, Manidis, WENDT, SJS, and this one SHRMC, and from this sector we have Mahindra Bank, HUDCO, Sundar Film Brigade, and this one Purva, J Bank, and ED Willis, 5 Star, BSC, Prestige, SDCMSC, Loda, 5 Star, Delivery, Rust Moji, and Union Bank. Measure this company. So again, and we will see from last, I think, Saudi Arabia. We'll see a company from United Kingdom. Here, RKT from this consumer and non-durables health technology GSK. From this one, this sector is finance. We have IGG, DLG, LRE, BPT, plus PCAP, ALPH, IIG, IIG, ADBT, PIL, HAT, ASAI, DFCH, ADF, PGH, and from electronics technology we have this QNT, BOY, ABDP, and from consumer service ISG, ITV, WTB, NG, utility CNA, SBT, SSC, PNN, WISE, 4, HAS, NG, SSC, CNA, SPTT, PNN, PESCO, MEGP, and we will see uh, from China. Okay. And from China, stock with gain of 6% as a year from main this producer and manufacturing 5% this company is and shown only symbol is shown here, so it is very hard to guess the stock. From China it become very hard. Now we will move towards Australia with the stock near this gain up to 9% gain. Okay. From finance QBE, MPL, NWL, AUB, NGI, QE, QT, QAL, PPC, FPR, LFG, MAF, PW, RPL, KSL, and from up to 6 and 9% stock will average. RMS, WAF, SLR, mm, DEG, BGL, RSG, PDI, FEX, STK, TCG, RNU, SVM, CATM, CTT, SXE, SRG, FHE, PFLC, INR, SYA, DTZ, NHE, PPG, MCA, SDB. Okay, I'm from Canadian company. And we'll see crypto map also. Okay, the main currency saw rise is Tron coin and Byte Network, Gala, Bitcoin Gold, Notcoin, Gala, Extract, Kenneth, Constitutional DAD, Popcat, Pixels, Manta Network, Mantra, The Sandbox, Ruin, Wormhole, Braid, Tetrafuel, Dimension, Centrifuge, Saga, API 3, Renzo, Portal, Big Time, HMP, Omni Network, ProPay, DOD, Goldfinch, Birds, SS, Motion Protocol, PlayDAP, Seminal Protocol, the Sandbox, Tetrafuel, Sclare, High Street, IXCRLC, Portal, Renzo, Propi, Omni Network, XAI, on REN SS Protocol, PlayDAP, Persistence, Rookless Exchange, RMRK, and WGMI Games. And this is Crypto Itnaf. And we will see Chinese Canadian company with massive rise around 9% isn't shown here. Mm, All European companies, French, around 9%. OR, this one AM, EDN, ENX, SCR, ERA, OPM, BIM, TTE, TEP, IPS, Transportation ADP, GET, AF, IDL, Consumer, MMB, CO, FNAC, um, ARAMI, MDM, PRC, and distributable THEP. Okay, French company, then all European companies. Uh, Here PKO, GARN, ISATR, QNBFP, ALR, PNDXB, Manda, ANIM, CATE, BNP, MIL, ANSGR, GTC, ALBAB, ANGSA, SBB, NIDO, ABDT, NeoBio, ALM, PIL, TURGG, Pago, ESSITY, Kent, this one, OBMAS, NeoAB, AMIKKO, DOCS, BLL, BROG, WHTS, PENT, PNISU, MAK, OTM, RAT, CO, Kulilo PLC, Okay, this much for global assist analysis session, and we will meet on next video. I think this video become around 26 minutes. Okay, this thanks for your precious time.